Hello students, this is Madhurima Miss. In my today's video, I am going to discuss about voice change. Now as you can see on my screen, we are going to discuss about the present indefinite tense. We are going to focus also on the present continuous tense and also on present perfect tense. Now before we move on to the rules, before we move on to the explanation of how to apply those rules that you can see on my screen, we need to first understand what is V1, V2, V3 and what is subject and object, and especially how to find out an object in a sentence, because without understanding the format of the verb and without understanding how to find out the subject, how to identify the subject and the object, it's not possible to change the voice. So let's start with how to find out the object. Now before finding out the object in a sentence, what we need to find out, as you can see it's written on the screen, first step is find the verb in the sentence. It is crucial for everyone in case of changing the voice to find out the verb. Now verb will indicate to you whether the verb is in a present tense or is it in the past tense. The format of the verb will tell you the nature of the tense. Now after finding out the verb, what we have to do is we have to ask the question with what or whom. Now how is this going to take place? Let's come to the sentences. Now Peter plays football. This is the first example I have written. Now in this sentence Peter plays, in this sentence of Peter plays, we have to find out the verb as I said. Now verb is plays. Now we have to ask the place question with what or with whom. Now the sentence will be like, or the question will be like, Peter plays what or Peter plays whom. Now if I say Peter plays whom, we are not getting any answer to this. So the question that starts with whom has no answer. But if I say Peter plays what, we have an answer to this question, that is Peter plays football. Peter plays what? Peter plays football. So in this way, in every sentences that is given in the question paper or in a book, we need to find out the verb and then we have to ask the verb the question what is, like with what and whom, and the question will be like Peter plays. Instead of Peter there can be any other subject definitely. So the question pattern will be like Peter plays what or Peter plays whom, and the answer that you will be getting to what or whom, that will be identified as the object. So in this video you have learned how to find out the object. In my next video I will teach you how to find out the subject and how to apply these formulas that you can see on my screen. Thank you for watching my videos.